Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi phone guys battery setting, and today video title is guys how to enable ultra battery saver mode on Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to enable your ultra battery saver mode settings, so how to enable and how to use it on Redmi mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Redmi phone setting. After on Redmi phone setting friends, click on Redmi mobile battery setting. After on battery setting friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, you can see battery saver. So friends, you want to enable battery saver, you can enable battery saver and you can turn off from here. Friends, after enable friends, you can see battery saver notification on screen. If you on friends, you can see battery saver is on, so we will off. Ultra battery saver mode setting is here. So friends, click here and friends, you can see this type notification. So friends, click here OK option guys. After 5 seconds, battery setting, sorry friends, ultra battery saver mode will enable on Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to add any icon, important icon, example guys, phone calls, messages, contacts I have. Friends, you want to add any icon, like you want to use Chrome app and YouTube app, so you can add camera. So it's only 6 and guys 7 app you can use on your device, and friends, you cannot use extra app. And friends, you can lock your screen, and guys if you on your screen friends, you can see this type interface on your device. So guys, your ultra battery saver mode is enabled. You want to disable, you don't want to use, friends, click here exit option, right side guys, exit, click here. After 4 and 3 second, 3 and 4 second, automatic guys you will exit, means your battery saver mode will disable automatic on your device. You can check here friends, battery saver mode is off. Again you want to use, so you will have to give permission OK option, then you can use it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.